Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share this continuous line drawing class with you all. I practiced it recently and I really found it very interesting, and I just thought you might like it. So these are the supplies you are going to need. So just any sketchbook or a paper, a pencil, an eraser, and then you will need these fine liner markers. So first of all, as a warm-up exercise, let's do some continuous line patterns. So here we go. Do these spirals just like that. This is just to loosen your body and loosen your hand. So the trick here is to loosen your body. Focus on your body and not on your hand. If you focus on your hand, where it's going, how it's moving, then the hand is going to move tighter and you are going to be a lot more conscious, and the hand will not move easily and freely. All right. So one more time, let's do this. And whenever you feel like your hand is going stiff, just remove your attention from your hand and just focus on your entire body. Focus on your shoulders and drop them down. Drop your shoulders and try this. Now there's another thing, figure of 8. All right. So it's a figure of 8, but far from each other, just like that. Just loosen yourself and keep doing it, just like that, just like that. Right. Now let's try some vertical patterns like this. How about this? Like this. All right. Now, if you feel free with your hand, let's move on to drawing some leaves. All right. So here is the stem, and here comes a leaf. Up goes the stem, and here comes another leaf. See, continuous movement of line, and we have 2 leaves. Now let's try another leaf. All right, let's try another one. Like that. All right, now let's try another one. Let's try eucalyptus. So these movements have to be rounded. All right. There. Another one. This technique of drawing is very therapeutic, and you can make very pretty art, wall art or bookmarks or cards with this technique. All right. So after the leaves, let's move on to some petals and flowers. So say tulip. I start from the leaf. I go up with the stem. First petal, second petal, and the third petal. And here comes another leaf, and that's it. Now let's do a complex flower like this, a rose. All right. So I'm starting from the center. There. This could have been like that. So a stem and a leaf, another leaf, and we go up, 2 petals and a center. That's an imaginary flower. All right, let's do another imaginary flower. Leaf, leaf, another one. Let's do a peace lily. Let's do it on in here. So here the leaf of the peace lily, and here's the flower. All right, you want to see it one more time? So let's see here. Here comes a leaf and the stem, and that's the main flower of the peace lily, and there. All right, let's make a lotus flower. So here is the leaf, that's the stem, and those are many petals, and there. All right, now what else? Let's do some imaginary flowers. So I'm just drawing the flower heads. All right, let's do some more. Like that. So if you add a stem over here, this is another imaginary flower. Let's do some foliage. Whimsical greenery. Now what? Let's do some animals. All right, so let's start with a dragonfly. There, the wings, and there. All right, now let's make a butterfly. So there, a butterfly. Finally, now let's make a face, an abstract face. So I start from the forehead, make the eyebrow, the eyes, eyeballs, and there we go. Now let's make another face. So here, see, you can start from wherever you want. All right, there's no rule about from where you should start. So let's start from the hair. So like that. Now this time I'm making both the eyes. All right. The chin. And the mouth. So that's another face. You can do just very minimal face also. So like that. Here. You must be seeing such illustrations, such drawings, such very minimalistic drawings everywhere on the internet. See, like this one, even more minimalistic. Like that. So these can make great greeting cards or bookmarks or even wall art or anything you like. So you can use watercolor, minimal watercolor here and there, and you can turn these into a very beautiful art piece. So I just hope that you liked this class. It's just a mini exercise. And if you liked this one, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of such classes or what you want to see next. Alright, subscribe to my channel and like this video, share it with your friends if you like it. And follow me on my Instagram. I go by the name Justwokeuptoart. And I'll see you next time with my next video. Thank you so much for watching.